Oh, she's distracted by balloon desire. It's envy is what it is. Balloon envy! There's Miss Sophia. Yeah, it's cute. She's in PE today, so. Alright, we just did we filmed her lunch. Audrey thinks she's going. Kyle's got his backpack for work.
Oh, don't let her get out there. It's bad.
Oh yeah, take that out. Yuck. Okay, come here, little girl. What's that noise? I heard a weird noise.
It might be this way.
We're having a garage sale in 2 weeks. That's why this stuff's in the garage. It's raining and storming. It's been thundering like crazy since 4. We're hearing a weird buzzing noise. It is. Good luck. Go now. Wow. Oh my lord, y'all. Audrey's being so cranky. She woke up this morning, and not because of the rain. It was like when there was nothing happening. She woke up just grumpy. But you know, I mean, you think, oh, maybe they're thirsty, they have a diaper they need to change, so you do all that. She actually went back to sleep, but then she's still grumpy. So usually when she's like this, it's like she's gonna be like this the whole day. And I always try to remind myself, I'm like, there's probably a reason. It could be her teeth, maybe she just didn't sleep well, like she's little, she doesn't understand how to focus those like feelings, and so she just kind of goes crazy. But I don't like it. I'm supposed to take, well, my plan was to go to the gym today. Take Audrey and Grayson, like right now actually. But Grayson's still asleep, and I'm not going out in this weather. It is awful. But in other news, happy Friday, everybody. Okay, I finally found something that kept Audrey like calm, and that's shredded cheese. So, not surprisingly, our weather alarm is going crazy with flood alerts and flash flood alerts, and so Grayson is still asleep, which is like amazing. He's usually the first one awake. So yeah, we're on a warning. I just muted it.
Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include.
But then my light was still turned on. But then I forgot to turn my light on. So I went back into my room, turned my light on, and turned my light off. And then there was a bumblebee in my room. But now he's on my roof. The bumblebee's on his roof. He's cross, but I thought there was a bumblebee, but he's real.
There's a real bumblebee in your room, or a transformer bumblebee?
Well, first I don't hear him if he's outside, if he's out of my room, but I do hear him if he's in my air.
Oh, okay. Grayson's having some string cheese and some grapes. It's a real casual morning. I got your second string cheese right here.
Okay.
Well, I know I shouldn't let her do this, but it's just I've never seen her. Whoa! It's my daredevil. I've never seen her. I've seen her. She's kind of done a step down onto those little couches. I've never seen her jumping like this, like ever. And I'm not happy about it, but it's funny. Sometimes I have to laugh with her, y'all, because she stresses me out. I love her so much, but she's such a handful. She's such a challenge sometimes. Sometimes I just have to try to laugh at her. Just her uniqueness, her preciousness, her craziness. Audrey, you just crack me up. Grayson's doing some male action. How's that baby Audrey doing? Oh, God bless you, God bless you. The duck, I see that duck. Grayson, what are we doing? Wow, look, Grayson's in. We pulled out the winter clothes. I have a ton of hand-me-downs for Audrey from our friend Jenny. And then I kept some of the kids' winter clothes from last year to see if they still fit. And Grayson, his are a little shorter, but they still fit. Alright, you can take them off. So we're trying on what still fit. Look at this Audrey. She's playing a shape puzzle. She's really good at it too, y'all.
This is still hard to take off.
I'll help you, buddy. Don't worry. Look at this. Look how good she's doing that. Yay! She's doing it in Spanish.
Too tight.
Oh my goodness. Okay, come here. Let me see. That sweater definitely still fits. So these pants, come here. They're actually still long enough, which I was worried about. So these are a little bit tighter, but they don't seem, they feel good?
Yes.
You got a little bit of a, here, turn around, let Mama see. Turn around. He's got a little bit of a booty in these. These look good though. They look good. All right. All right. We had a jacket that was too short in the sleeves and 2 pairs of pants that were a little questionable. That's all for donation. And all of this stuff, I'm putting everything back in here that's work so I can take it all down and just launder it because it's been in storage. Although it's, we had it in one of these little like seal type things and man, everything came out really fresh. Audrey has a ton of hand-me-downs though, which is so cool from her friend. Audrey, please, honey, don't do that. Come on, put it back in. So you're gonna put it on? Boy. Like lots of cute fall clothes, so that's good. Some winter too, we're not there yet. The kids won't even need any of this for a couple of months. So in theory, some of the stuff that only just fit Grayson might not be useful. He might outgrow it because they grow so fast. Audrey won't though. All her stuff is a 2T and she's just now getting into that size, so she should be good. So I'm gonna hold on to a couple of Grayson's things, and when it starts to get cool, we'll see if it still fits. And then Sophie has a bunch of stuff that I think will definitely still fit her.
Bye.
Something went under there. They're both trying to get it. You gotta go flat. Did you get? Ah, you got it.
I did it too far. Mommy, I did too far.
Yeah. We're home.
Family.
All right, Grayson, I'm gonna film him.
How do it look with this balloon?
You look amazing. I'm not gonna lie. It looks amazing. There's.
How do I look?
You look great. Sophie's doing math. She doesn't really get a lot of good math at kinder. She's not at kindergarten level math. She's beyond that, and we want to keep that momentum, so she does extra math at home and she does it happily. So we're not like asking her to do too much or being like crazy strict parents. She likes doing it, she's good at it, and we want to encourage that. Sophie, have you moved on to the 3rd grade level math?
No, I'm still in 2nd.
She's in 2nd. She's finishing her 2nd grade level math in our little lesson thing. We've just taken that into our own hands a little bit. Hey there, buddy. I like your balloon.
You want a balloon?
So Audrey was standing here dancing. That's why I grabbed the camera, but of course she does. You gotta come back and dance for Audrey. You ready? Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, she's distracted by balloon desire. It's envy is what it is. Balloon envy! Whoa, 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 crazy crazies. Nope, nope, Gray. We're gonna slow down. We're not gonna run with that crazy balloon, and we're gonna share. Can Audrey have a turn? Okay. Then it's Grayson's turn again, okay? Grayson, you wanna come blue to this? So Grayson, what's happening tomorrow?
A surprise.
A surprise is happening tomorrow.
Hey, Mama, look where I built.
That's some enthusiasm there is what that is. We have a surprise planned for Sophie and Grayson tomorrow. It's gonna be fantastic. It's actually part of their birthday presents.
No.
Audrey, I've been trying to catch her on camera saying meow for a long time. Audrey, what's a kitty cat say? Audrey, what? Meow, meow. Yes, finally. That's what's on the floor, little kitty cat faces. Meow, meow. Did you take out your clippy again? Watch this. Audrey, can I put your clip in? Audrey. She pulls, all that got pulled out of the cabinet. Can I put your clippy in? No. Audrey. Audrey. So I gotta show you guys this epicness. So this buck here, so Josh is one of our best friends, his wife and him, and he wrote a book that was inspired by a real life situation that his wife was in. You guys have probably seen him. He's in our vlogs. And his son is Grayson's, one of Grayson's best friends. And he wrote a book, y'all. He wrote a book. So I have got to share and spread the love about this. And it's really, really a cute book with a good message. Look at this amazing artwork. I'm just really proud of him. And it's a really good story. It's awesome. It is awesome. So if you want to check it out, y'all, it's on Amazon. It's How the Vixen Saved the School by Josh Mundy. I'm so proud of him. Oh my gosh, y'all. I was just periscoping and like the kids were going crazy. So whoever was watching that periscope with me, and then like everything is an absolute mess right now. Like there's an acceptable level of mess where I'm kind of like, okay, you know, because you can't, you got your kids, they're playing, you're making lots of meals every day, you're gonna have a mess. But I have like a level that's acceptable where I'm like, okay, it's cool, I can work on this. And then when it passes that point, I don't know, it just like stresses me out a little bit. Ugh. And then if the kids are being crazy along with it, I'm like, so I'm having that moment right now. I'm trying to like recenter myself. Because they're not really being bad, they're just being kind of hyper. And we can't go outside because it's raining, so I'm trying to like calm myself. All right guys, we're having taco salad for dinner. So I'm making the salad and I have the taco meat simmering. And we're just waiting on Hale to get home. I'm running a little late, but it was bad weather all day, and so I am beat. I'm so tired today. I'm so tired. As soon as Daddy gets home. Oh, good, honey. Sophie's like, what are we eating? All right, Kyle's home. We're still trying to figure out what that buzzing sound is in the garage. That like humming sound, I guess I should say. So he's trying to set our circuit breakers to make sure it's not the circuit breakers, because I don't know, it's weird. We can't figure it out. You can't tell where exactly it's coming from because the sound kind of goes all around. It's really weird. All right.
Look.
What are you doing? It's a crazy baby.
She loves you. Remember? Dad's gonna peel this slice.
Oh, he's having an orange for dessert. Apparently it wasn't peeled correctly.
Oh
my gosh!
Don't worry, stay here, buddy. You know what? I peeled it.
Okay, oh, good job. Y'all done?
Mommy.
Did you hear how she says it with like a British accent? It's adorable. Mommy. I'm not sure where she gets. Are you all done?
Look, show me who's